Hello, I'm Steve. Welcome to the Patio Heat channel, where we provide visual concepts of infrared heating as well as tips for outdoor comfort. Send your request into designs@patioheat.com for your personalized recommendations. Our one-on-one customer support helps you make the best decisions for your applications. We strive to earn your business. Visit our patioheat.com website for sales and more information. Now let's get heating. All right, so we have this covered patio section here on a residential application. And let's go right into the overall dimensions I have. Now, the information I received was the patio structure was going to be 16 by 8. So you can see here that I placed from this point here to out to about this point here 16 foot. And then I have an 8-foot section over here. However, I understand there might be a beam coming across here. Now this beam here, I have it at 12 inches. It might be just 4 inches. I'm not 100% certain of that. I did get an image of what we're doing here, but however, I didn't get all the dimensions. So I'm assuming that the overall plan I have at 26 feet based on the image itself, and the seating position is going to be that 16-foot section. You can see here also that I have this table set at roughly 11 feet with the chairs out about 14 and a half, maybe 15 feet of total coverage area needed. Also, I noticed in the photo that there was some sort of skylight here or something of that nature. There were a few recessed lights here in the area. And then you can see here I placed this at 7 feet in from this edge here, so that will be an important aspect of possibly placing heaters in here. Also, I believe I made this about a 4-foot distance between these two windows, 12 inches here, 2 feet here, and maybe 2 feet over here. So that's just some information. And let's go ahead and look at the different options. So basically I have two options. One option being placing the 6,000 watt units parallel with the long edge of the wall here in the center of the patio. And I'm not certain of, again, where those light fixtures are. Obviously, you can see I have this right above the skylight here, and that might be a problem, but it might be a better coverage if we do something like this. So let's go ahead and look at the footprint of heat. So at 9 feet off the finished floor, I think that was what it was here. So excuse me, 10 feet off the finished floor. This is the 10-foot ceiling section. This is 9'2" at the bottom edge, so this is only 10 inches tall. But at that 10-foot mounting height, 6,000 watt units would heat this area just fine. It's just, like I said, I don't like the idea of the skylight up here being covered with the heater itself. So, you know, could you move the heaters to the right here? Yes, you could. However, when you do that, you have to drop the heaters down in order to make it so that it will meet the clearances. So I have it here. I'm going to come out 6 inches, and I'm going to drop or change the angle of the unit itself. So let's go ahead and do that real quick, and we can grab it right. Let's see here, whoops. And we'll do a 30-degree tilt, and we will also need to drop the heaters down. So let's go ahead and do that. An additional 6 inches, so we'll move it down 6, and that would be the area covered, and I don't like that at all. So that's why I placed them where I did initially if we were going to utilize something like this. So let's go ahead and place those back there in the center so you can see what that looks like. All right, let's go ahead and go right into the next option. The next option would be utilizing, and I should back up a little bit and just let you know that the 6,000 watts as well as these units here, you really do want to use a control system based on, you know, the intensity of heat that you're looking for during the different times of the year and season. So these are 5,000 watt units. These are CD 5024s. The other ones are CD 6024s. These are 39 inches long, so you can place them in this orientation. And that is because both units themselves have this 18-inch clearance on each end, so the 6,000 watt unit would not work in this application. The 5,000 39-inch long units would. And you can see here that we are meeting all the clearances. If this section here is more than that 7-foot length, then we're even better off, and I just have them centered within the span here. I also utilize this post here as a center point, so from there to here I believe I went 9 feet center to center. And let's just double check that real quick. Let me turn off these clearances and go from here to here. Yeah, sorry, that's six feet center to center. So you could actually move it out 1 more foot if you wanted to. I don't think you're going to get the crossover raise you're looking for. So that 6-foot section is the section that I really think is the best. In any case, center 6 feet, center 6 feet, 5,000 watt units over the seating positions here. And it does work out a little bit better with the skylight over here. Let's go ahead and look at the footprint of heat. Footprint of heat, you can see that we're heating up more than that total area. And I'll show you here in just 1 second why I'm choosing 3 and not just 2. But in any case, that is very good coverage for this space here. All right, let's go ahead and remove this unit here. And we can move, I'm going to move this unit over just 12 more inches, so that would be 7. And move this here and here. I'm going to go with, I believe, 4 feet, maybe 3 feet there. And there's 24 inches there. So that would be another option as far as the coverage would be concerned. And again, the skylight here is still okay. And with the units pointed in the direction that they are fine as far as the clearance above. And if we change the angle, we would have to change that clearance. I'm just adjusting this bracket here so that it's proper. There we go. And I think that would be also a very good covered area. However, if you pull this seat out a little bit further, or this one here, you're not going to be in the 100% of the ray, but again, I think that would be still a very decent covered space as well. So, all right, well, I hope this has helped. If you're looking for some assistance with your outdoor heating application and you would like us to review your plans, send your information into designs@patioheat.com, and please tap that like button. We don't advertise, not monetize. The only way people find our channel is by you tapping that like button or subscribing. We really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Have an excellent day.